This maintenance IQ goes out to the service writers out there. When you're quoting a job where the technician has recommended that the shocks and struts be replaced, there are a couple different ways you can do this. You can do a bare strut, you can do a loaded strut or a complete strut, but there are two things you need to include on that estimate to make sure that that job goes off flawless for the technician, and also the customer has a quiet car where the ride control has been renewed. The first item you need to look at, sway bar links. These can degrade over time and start making a lot of noise. And it's a type of noise that the customer will notice, especially going over bumps or when this is turned as the strut is turned to go around corners. The other thing to keep in mind are adjustment bolts, and especially new hardware. This bolt right here, it can't adjust the camber on the vehicle. This bolt right here, it can adjust the camber up to 1.5 degrees. So by including this on the repair order or estimate, you are ensuring that when it rolls into the alignment bay, the alignment will go off flawlessly. Ride control sales are critical for your business because these things wear out. It may not be at a particular mileage, but when the customer hears rattling and knocking noise coming from their front suspension or rear suspension, they need to have it serviced. So make sure you're including these items so when they do have the job done, it will not cause a comeback for your shop. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.